Hi, today I want to show you this iPad app called StrataLogica. So when I open the app, this is a paid service by Herf Jones and Nystrom, but they do offer part of it for free, and it does offer a lot of capabilities under the free version. So we're going to click on Explore Our World for free and continue. You can click on Don't Show That Again. But you can, in the libraries, there is a Discovery series, which is just a regular physical map. You can zoom in, zoom out, and turn the world. And I know that you can do a lot of these things on Google Earth, but some of the capabilities on Google Earth do not transfer to an iPad, and you can do a lot of the things that you can do on Google Earth on a desktop on the iPad with this particular app. The eye shows you the legend or the symbols for the key. You have different Discovery series. On the free version, they have the tectonic plates and the world in the 1600s, and I'll look at that, which is kind of a nice view. And then the tectonic plates, and I'll let this go ahead and focus. Here we go. If we look at tectonic plates, it takes just a moment to focus in. And these are the only two thematic layers that are offered in the free version, but even the world in the 1600s is kind of a nice thing. So those are the thematic layers. I'm going to go back. You also have a satellite version, which you can zoom in just like on Google Earth. I'm going to click the home button, take us back to the Discovery series so that we can look at the different things. This allows you to search for a specific place. The toolbox is really nice. You can record lessons where if students go to your particular lesson, say you want to talk about, the route, I will say the route went this way. If you want to draw certain routes, okay, and the second time they went this way, and I'm going to go back to the toolbox. You can add different symbols. So say we know that when they went across the desert, they used a camel. Well, I couldn't get my camel to show up. There we go. And you can also type text. So I'm going to choose this. I'm going to type where I want it. Down here in the bottom left, the first route. And then I will lower that. I can change my font. I can change my color. I can make it smaller. I can move it around. I can make it bigger. Rotate it. So these are different things that you can do with the toolbox. You can also put down push pins. So say I'm going to put a push pin here, and then I can type in whatever text I would like for this push pin. The first route, or well, I might even say click here first. And then I would take time to type a description. So then as students are looking at the map, it says, oh, click here first. So when I click there, you could type in instructions, you could give a description of something. Also in the toolbox, this next one is the eraser. I'm not going to take time to show you this, but the ruler is a really nice tool that allows you to show relative distance. Let me get this up. And it follows the curvature of the earth, which is kind of nice. So the students can understand that concept a little bit. Shows it in kilometers and miles. So these are what options are available in the toolbox. You can add notes, because as you notice, you can save up here. So anything that I'm drawing, then I can save this as a lesson, and when students get onto the app, they can actually see that particular lesson. You can also, well, this is where the lessons would be. And I'm going to go to dual. I'm going to discard the things that I have done to this. So you can also look at this in dual setting. I'm zooming in on one and seeing it in both the physical and the satellite view. When I close that and hit the home button, some of the custom views. If you click on Discover Your World, this is one that someone has created. Let me go back. And the free user canvas. In this particular mode, I should be able to press on the countries and information pop up, but it's not working right at the moment. But it does offer information, just basic geographical information, the name of the country. That is in the free user canvas. Here are just some presentations that have been created, and like here is a project, Volcanoes of the World. So you click here, Open First. You can actually link to a site, so I'm going to open this in Safari. And then once kids are finished with that, you would go back to the app. So this is just kind of showing you different things. You can collaborate. I am not sure if you can really collaborate in the free version. So I'm going to clear out of this, go to my map library. And this is StrataLogica. There are many ways that you could use this. I just wanted to bring it to your attention, the free version of StrataLogica. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help. Thanks, and have a great day.